Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So we are jumping in on a group build. Yes, another group build coming up, going on, starting now. This is hosted by Dave over at Woody's Scale Model Garage. You guys need to go over his channel and check this out and jump in on this. This is his first one he's doing, so let's give him some support. Let's give him that community support and jump in. And I know there's already a ton of group builds going on. I know, I get that. But you know what? Dave is giving you guys a year to finish this. So let me tell you what the group build's about if you guys don't already know. He's doing a group build on song titles, basically, of anything with automotive that's in it. Example like Little Deuce Coupe, Little GTO, Dad Took T-Bird Away, stuff like that. So obviously if you're doing Little GTO, you're going to build a GTO, exactly. So I thought, how cool. Dave, such a great idea on that. I thought, that is awesome. Man, it's a good idea. Great. Love it. So I got thinking what I'm going to do, and I thought, I'm going to jump in on this one. Because I've been kind of holding off on a few group builds just because I got other builds I'm doing. But like I say, being I got a year to do this one, yeah, we can get this one going. We can do that. Probably just like when I did Mike's group build over at Scale Speedworks when he did the 60th anniversary for the Mustang. Yeah, my last 2 months was go time because like, oh, I gotta get started on this thing. So this will probably be the same way. Maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. So anyways, I decided to pick the song Wild Wild Mustang by Dick Dale and the Deltones. Yeah, so to kind of date the song a little bit with the Deltone thing. I don't know exactly. I didn't look up the release date of the song. I'm sure it's mid 60s. Not 100% on that one. So I listened to it on Spotify. I have a Spotify playlist that I listen to. It's got all the old car songs on there. So if you guys never heard the song, go check it out. So the song's basically talking about Wild Wild Mustang from the Fomoco, and it's talking about 289, 4 on the floor. 4-barrel carb, dual exhaust, you can really get lost, you know, that type of thing. Cool song. So if you guys have never heard it, I highly recommend you go listen to it. It's pretty neat. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing. So I was going through my kits that had 289s in it, and I thought, man, which one should I do? So I'm like going through them, and I thought, I'm kind of thinking one of the Shelbys. That's where I'm going. I'm all about it. And I turned around and I thought, wait a minute, I got a kit over here because I didn't have them all up there, and I thought I'm gonna do this one. It's not as flashy, but I think it's pretty cool. We're doing the 67 Fastback GT by AMT. This is a great kit. I've built this kit before, and I tell you what, if you guys never built this car, even if you're not a Mustang fan, just for a nice, easy, clean build, this is your guy. It's a very nice kit. It assembles very well, goes together good, and it does have my 289 hypo in it. Yes, so I tell you, I do like the blue. I like the blue box art. So that's probably where I'm going to go with it. And like I say, this has not been open. It's just been sitting on the shelf for the millennium, so it's been there for a bit. And I'm a sucker for pad printed tires. I'm looking at the box. Ooh, it's got pad printed Firestones. That's right up my alley. I'm a white letter tire fan. Back in the day, I had a 96 Taurus, and I had put white lettered Firestone Firehawks on because I thought, oh, cool, you know. I just like them. That's just me. I know a lot. They're not everybody's favorite. I see it all the time at the shop. People like, put those on the inside. I'm like, why? That's what they want, you know. Okay. So anyways, I'm going to paint this blue. So last year, Tony Lancer was over, was doing some painting and all that stuff here. And he brought this bottle of blue over. And he says, man, I want to paint this Mustang this color blue. And I was like, so we painted, and I thought, my God, that looked good. That's just awesome color. And I'm looking at my little inventory, and I thought, hey, I got that color too. So I had to write it down on the top of the bottle. I wrote Mustang on it, just so I knew this was it. So this is MCW enamel. This is Blue Fire Metallic. So this is 6960E. So really cool color. So check that color out. So that's what we're going to do with it. I think it's got a pretty cool look to it. This will look really great over silver base. So that's what we're going to do. So I highly recommend you guys go over to Dave's channel at Woody's Scale Model Garage. jump in on this. I think that'd be really cool to do this, you know, getting that community support, like I said, just jump in on this and let's make a big go out of it. I think it'd be pretty cool. It's just something different, and it's always cool to see in the end everybody's kind of creations, what they come up with, all said and done. So I guess that's gonna, we're wrapping her up. Like I say, I'll put links in the description below for everything. Guys, go check out Hobby Models. Be a link in the description below for that as well. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and we will catch you guys on the next video. You guys have a good one. We'll see ya.